Hi YouTuber, Watagwan, Watagwan, hey. Hi guys, so today I'm gonna teach you guys how to cook curry shrimp. It's simple, it's easy. The first thing we need is our shrimp. Whoa, look at that baby. So those I got from Sam's Club. And then you need like garlic clove. I just got 2 pieces because I'm not like a garlic fan. I'm going to cut these up into pieces. Then you need your red pepper and your green pepper. Red and green, red and green, red and green. Then you need your tomato, which I'll cut up into pieces. And then your hot pepper. I wouldn't recommend using a lot of these just for the simple fact that it's going to be too hot if you don't like hot. And then onions, which I'm going to cut up into pieces as well. And then you got your scallions, which I'll cut up as well. And then I'm going to use coconut milk in there as well. And then these are the, and I'm going to put some, like 2 or 3, a couple pieces of thyme inside my curry shrimp. And then I also use a little bit of browning as well. And these are pretty much the season I'm going to use. A lot of people might agree with me and disagree with me because everybody cook their curry shrimp differently. I'm going to use this meat spice. I got this at a Caribbean grocery store. And the key is if you ever see stuff like this in the store, make sure you look in the back. Because in the back of it, it's going to tell you where it was packaged. This one was packaged in Kingston, Jamaica, as you can see. I looked at others and it really wasn't even packaged in Kingston. It was just like Florida. I'm like, no, I want to make sure I get something that's completely from Jamaica, right? And I'm going to use a little bit of this as well, just like a sprinkle, not too much. And then because I like Mrs. Dash, I'm just going to put a little dash of Mrs. Dash, right? And then I'm going to use coconut oil in my pot. So that's basically the gist of it. All I'm gonna do is cut up every single pieces of those ingredients in very tiny, and then I'm gonna add that into this pan with the shrimp. Obviously, I gotta peel the shrimp off. Just take off all those the tail, you know, whatever the little skin on. I gotta take these off, you know. So yeah. So I'm gonna put all that ingredient in there, and then once I do that, I'll get back to you guys. So I'll see you guys soon. Hey. Let me stop being silly. But yeah, hope you guys are gonna love cooking with Shy. See you guys soon. I cut up all the ingredients. So basically, that's the pepper, the green pepper, the red pepper, the scallion, the garlic clove, the tomato, and the onion, the red pepper, the thyme, and then that's just the shrimp. So what I'm gonna do is first use, this is the coconut milk powder. I'm gonna put some water in here. I'm gonna whip it together, then I'm gonna throw it in here. And then I'm gonna add all these ingredients in there. And then I'm gonna add just like a drop of browning, and then I'll add this meat seasoning to there, to the shrimp. And then I'll add a little dash of Mrs. Dash. And then I'll add the adobo, I'm sorry. And then I'll add the curry powder, all of this in there because I don't want it to be too curry, but it's going to be enough curry. And I'm going to mix all those together and then pretty much add it to the pot. So this is pretty much my ingredient, guys. I know everything look a little bit messy, but yeah, stay tuned. Pretty much I pour the coconut milk into the shrimp. And I'm just going to mix that up, and then I'm going to add all the other ingredients. But stay tuned, stay tuned. This is just the beginning. As you guys can see right now, the curry is in there along with all the other ingredients and the coconut milk. You see? It doesn't look as seasony, which is fine because once everything combined and cooked together in the pot, oh my gosh, it smells really good. Like, well, the curry powder. But yeah, so this is it so far. I'm going to pour some more curry on there because we do want it to be curry-ish. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. Oops, still pouring. Okay, I'll be back. pour it into the pot. All I did was put a little bit of just a little bit of coconut oil in the pot, and then I add all the ingredients. So pretty much that's it. It just has to simmer down and cook, and yeah, stay tuned. So this is how you guys know that it's actually cooking. You see how it's turning color? It went from this color to this yellowish color. That's how you know your shrimp is cooking. But all you got to do is keep tossing, just toss around everything, and everything will cook eventually. You just keep tossing. All right, look at that, guys. This is my curry shrimp. I'm telling you, once you guys cut everything up and put it in the onto the stovetop, literally within 10 minutes it should be turning into this color. If not, I don't know, something is wrong, but within 10 minutes it should be turning into this color, and then you should be done like literally 10 minutes later. Cooking shrimp, curry shrimp, is not hard, and it's easy, and you could cook it and get everything done within like an hour, like between cutting up the ingredients, put it in the stove top, and let it cook down. That should be only about an hour. Honestly, it could be shorter, but yeah, because shrimp doesn't take long to cook. But yeah, that's it so far, guys. Look at that. Yes, wow.